To find the volume of any triangular prism, and really any prism, we follow one simple idea. We take the area of the base and multiply it by the height of the prism. We can express that using a general formula. V equals capital B times H. Here, V represents the volume, capital B represents the area of the base, and H represents the height of the prism, the distance between the two bases. Now, before we build the prism, let's start with just the triangular base. Take a look at the triangle on the screen. This is a right triangle with side lengths 6, 8, and 10. To find the area of this triangle, we use the two sides that form the right angle. Those sides are 6 and 8. And here's a very important idea. Those two sides can always be used as the base and the height of the triangle. The right angle guarantees it. So to find the area of this triangular face, we multiply the base and the altitude and then divide by 2. 6 times 8 equals 48, and 48 divided by 2 equals 24. So the area of our triangular base is 24 square units. And this value 24 is what we call capital B in our formula. Now, here's where students often get confused, so listen carefully. When we build a prism, we introduce a third dimension. That means we now have the base of the triangle, the altitude of the triangle, and the height of the prism. So we can't use the word height for both things. Instead, we call the triangle's height the altitude, and we reserve the word height for the prism itself. That distinction is very important. Now, let's construct the prism. A prism is made by taking one base and creating a congruent copy of it. So we take our triangle and slide it straight outward. And notice something. The two triangular faces are exactly the same. That's what makes it a prism. Now we connect the corresponding vertices, and that creates the third dimension. Take a look at the distance between the two triangular faces. That distance is 5 units. And this is the key idea. The height of the prism is always the distance between the two congruent bases. Not the slanted side, not the edge of the triangle, but the straight distance from one base to the other. Now we're ready to find the volume. We already know the area of the base is 24 square units, and the height of the prism is 5 units. So we multiply 24 times 5, which equals 120. Therefore, the volume of this triangular prism is 120 cubic units. Now notice, nowhere in our calculation did we use a side length of 10. And sometimes you're going to see this when you see the diagram of a triangular prism. They're going to throw an extra number in. And you wouldn't need that if you were calculating the surface area, but you do not need that side length to calculate the volume. And here's the big takeaway. To find the volume of any prism, follow the same two steps. First, find the area of the base. And second, multiply the height of the prism. And that's it. No matter the shape of the base, the formula stays the same.